Hello everyone, it's my pride pleasure to introduce myself. Well, I'm Kaval Kohari. I have done my Masters in Economics and BA too. An amicable welcome to my history class. Hello everyone, let's start with Geography Standard 10th. I have started yesterday with chapter number 2 and we have studied about the all Indian states and all. Today I'm going to start with the Brazil and it's all about political map of Brazil. So let's start, students. See, as on my screen you all are able to see my screen, that is also very clearly. Okay, so on my screen this map belongs to Brazil and I'm here to tell you about all the states. When we talk about states, okay, here Brazilian states also, here oceans are also there, all we are going to study into detail. Okay, so when we talk about here it lies Amazonas, Roraima, Amapá, Pará, Maranhão, okay, then Rondônia, Acre, Mato Grosso, Mato Grosso do Sul, Paraná, Santa Catarina, Rio Grande do Sul. Here it's Sao Paulo. Here it lies Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Here it lies Goiás, Tocantins, Minas Gerais, Sergipe, Ceará, Piauí, Paraíba, Pernambuco. Okay, so these all are the states of the Brazil. Let us talk about North Atlantic Ocean is here, South Atlantic Ocean is here. Now students, let me tell you about the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn passes through the southern part of Brazil. See, here you are able to see the Tropic of Capricorn. Here it has been given degree. What is the degree given over here? 23 degree 30 minutes south. Okay, this degree is given over here. Let's talk about the equator. Equator is here. Here it has been given upsides. Equator passes here. Its degree is given 0 degree. Okay, so this is very important and you may get this for the plotting of the maps. Okay, you may get this question, so you all should know it. Okay. Then afterwards let's start about the entire map in detail. When we talk about here, it's Paraguay, see, Bolivia, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, and here it's French Guyana, Suriname. Okay, here it's Paraguay. In this way we have studied our map reading. You may get this type of questions in your coming examination. So students, you should buy index map with Brazil political map, which you will get in the local shops, and then afterwards start feeling the maps as much as possible. If you will feel the maps more and more practice, definitely you are going to become more perfect. So it's very important. Keep solving these maps. Maps are in front of your screen. I'm there to guide you. Just take everything into consideration. Do it nicely. All the best.